Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or backpack? The Apple AirTag 4-pack is here to end that frustration forever. With precision finding, thanks to Ultra Wideband technology, it's not just about knowing your item is nearby, but finding its exact location, down to a few inches, right on your iPhone screen. Imagine seeing an arrow guiding you directly to your lost item, even if it's buried under couch cushions. That's the magic of AirTag. Setup is incredibly simple. A one-tap connection instantly links AirTag to your iPhone, integrating seamlessly into your existing Apple ecosystem. Once paired, it leverages the vast global Find My network, meaning if your item is lost far away, hundreds of millions of Apple devices can anonymously help pinpoint its location. Worried about spills or a sudden downpour? AirTag is water and dust resistant, with an IP67 rating, so minor splashes or dusty environments won't stop it from doing its job. For anyone constantly misplacing essentials, this tracker isn't just a gadget, it's peace of mind, making it one of the best electronics you can invest in. Ready to stop the frantic searching? You can find the Apple AirTag 4-pack on Amazon using the link below to get yours today. Unlike generic Bluetooth trackers, the AirTag's Apple integration and powerful precision finding truly set it apart, making it the superior choice for tracking your valuables. So if you're looking for the ultimate way to keep track of your belongings in 2025, the Apple AirTag is absolutely worth it. Don't wait, grab yours now.